Hey everyone, it's Mark with Trash Raiders, and yesterday I went on a bike ride, and look at all the trash I found. Look at all that. Now stay tuned for the adventure. Oh yeah. That's crazy. Look at this. We got a loaf of bread's worth of plastics that ranging from this stuff, plastic bottles, and then there's tons of plastics like bag plastics like this stuff. Look at this fishing rod. Now all that trash weighed out to be about 4.4 pounds. And you can see it fits in a little grocery bag. So if you have one of these, you can pick up that much trash. And that's 4 pounds less that's out there in nature. So if you like what you just saw, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to all our social media platforms. And be sure to click the link below if you'd like to donate and really like what we're doing. So support the cause, and we'll see you on the next one.